This tutorial is going to go over 3a and 3b, which involves solving with fractions. Example 3a is asking us to solve the equation 3x minus 1 divided by 4 equal to x minus 3 divided by 2 for x. The first step in doing this is to find the lowest common multiple of 4 and 2, which is 4, and this is what we start by multiplying by. We multiply by 4 so as to get rid of the fraction, so 4 divided by 4 will give us 1, and 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. Now, the grey section that I put here, you do not need to write. I'm writing this out longhand, where I'm multiplying top, or the numerator, by 4, and they cancel down to give me 1 and 2. The black is what I require you to show me, 3x minus 1 equal to 2 bracket x minus 3. This is just a simplified version of the grey. Our next step is to expand the bracket, giving us 3x minus 1 equal to 2x minus 6. Subtract 2x from both sides, leaving us with x minus 1 equal to negative 6, plus 1, giving us x equal to negative 5. Box it as this is our answer. You can now check this solution to see if it's actually correct by taking the value of x equals negative 5 and substituting it back into your original equation of a. When we do this, we end up with the left-hand side and the right-hand side hopefully equaling each other. In this particular case, we'll have negative 4 equal to negative 4, meaning that x equals negative 5 is the correct solution. Example 3b is 3m minus 1 divided by 4 equal to 2m minus 3 divided by 3 plus 2. The only difference between 3a and 3b is the plus 2 on the end of the equation. Our first step is to find the lowest common multiple of 12 and multiply both sides of the equation by this. The reason for doing this is to again try to cancel out those denominators of 4 and 3, so that when we write this out we get 12 divided by 4, which cancels down to 3, and 12 divided by 3, which will cancel down to 4. The trick to this, however, is that when you multiply by 12, you need to multiply everything. So it's not just the two fractions, it also includes that 2 on the end. So 2 times 12. Simplifying this down, we have 3 bracket 3m minus 1 equals to 4 bracket 2m minus 3, close the bracket, and plus 24. Next step is to expand, and from here on in we're just simplifying. So we end up with 9m minus 3 equal to 8m plus 12. We're going to get rid of that 8m from both sides of the equation, leaving us with m minus 3 equals to 12, plus the 3 to both sides, giving us m equals to 15 as an end answer, which we box in red. That's the solutions to 3a and 3b.